Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to rotate the elements of a 3-element array to the left using JavaScript. Let's get started. The goal is to shift the elements to the left. For example, the first element moves to the end while the others shift to the left. Simple and straightforward. Here's the implementation of the function rotate elements left. It creates a new array by rearranging the elements. The first element becomes the last, and the rest shift left. Let's break it down. We access the second, third, and first elements and rearrange them to create a new array. In this example, the first element, 3, moves to the end, while 4 and 5 shift to the left. The result is 4, 5, and 3. For this input, 0 moves to the end, while -1 and 2 shift left. The result is -1, 2, and 0. The ES6 version uses array destructuring to make the code cleaner. The functionality remains the same, but it's more concise. The function handles any valid 3-element array, including zeros, negatives, or identical numbers. It consistently rotates the elements. To summarize, this function demonstrates how to manipulate arrays efficiently. It's versatile and can adapt to various use cases. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript videos. See you next time.